everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how our day trip to Loviisa went. I woke up so early before 4 a.m. ready to get the bus to go to Loviisa. I went together with Caroline and we met our friend Vivian there to take a walk in the woods, explore the stone church and also cook some Brazilian food. Come join us and I hope you like this video. Once we drove a little bit of the way, at some point you just have to drop the car and take a walking path, which is not a sacrifice at all because the views are just so amazing and the nature is just full of details and beautiful views for every side you look. The stone church basically consists of these 3 rocks that fallen into place naturally. The city takes care of it, so they do all the maintenance and it's free to charge. Anyone can just go there and visit this beautiful place. The only downside of going there this time of the year is that, well, there's a lot of mooses and deers around. They bring this certain type of mosquitoes that get really stuck into your hair and clothes. And as you can see, we had a really hard time getting rid of them, but you know, in the end, it's everything worth it because the views are just amazing. What was that? Joking aside, then we head back to Vivian's house and we enjoyed an amazing Brazilian lunch that she prepared for us and that we also took some of the compliments for that traditional food. And, well, I have to say that we ate maybe a little bit too much. After lunch, we went for a walk at the city center, and while the weather was great, the views were once again beautiful. We also went to the observation tower, where you can have a beautiful view of the city and the forest and the lake. And you can check out the photos from this trip and those views and the nature and everything else on my Instagram. I'm gonna leave the link below. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, it's really important for growing this channel. Leave your comments below of what else you would like to see next from me. I'm gonna be showing you a lot more of Finnish nature and food in our everyday life here in Finland. And I see you soon. Bye!